Hi everyone, it's Eric Goins from Automate Intelligently here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add custom states to an Adalo app. And this is great for hiding conditional visibility items or changing statuses with changing something within a screen where you want to store a value and use that within the screen. And so in this example, we have a personal finance app called Time. And this is my app, so it's free for me to show you this. And what we want users to be able to do is change the timeline for their history here, their transactional history. And in order to do that, we have a date picker, which will set kind of the end date here, but we don't want to always just show the date picker. So what we have is this custom formula that shows you how many days of history you're showing, and that's based off this date picker. And we have two icons here which will hide and show the date picker. To run this, we're using this text field called show input, picker input. And this is just my name for it. But what these two icons do is they update this, and the status of this determines what is showing here. So let's take a look at this in action. Okay, so you can see right now we're showing 426 days history, and we have one icon here. If we click this icon, okay, this will change to visible, okay, and you can see our date picker here. We can change our date picker, okay, 60 days history, and then we can click the up icon and that will hide it, okay. And you can see that changing right here, which is driving all of this. So the way that this works is our two icons actually just update, have an action called change input value, and it changes the value of this text input. You can find that if you go to add another action or add an action for you, more change input value. So the first one here, what this does is this updates, so the standard value for this is hide. If you press the down button, it changes it to visible. The down button is only visible when it is when this says hide. So once you change it to visible, then this icon will become visible. And if you click this one, then it changes it to hide, right? So you just have two competing actions here, and then this whole thing it has conditional visibility, just if this is visible. And then what we can do is you can create some conditional visibility on this that will just never be true. So people won't see this. You could just blank it out, or you can just make it some super tiny little dot and just drag it up there. And obviously you can't see anything. If you want to go find that, you can just go and highlight, a little space over here until you find it. Let's watch this in action one more time. Okay, so you can see this this working very nicely, and I think that's going to be very helpful for users to be able to choose kind of their date history there. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to see more content like this, check out my Adalo course called Knodalo. We cover this and a lot more. That's on Knodalo.automateintelligently.com. Cheers.